This is mass versus weight. When you are done reading, you should be able to define weight, and you should be able to show how to calculate the weight of an object from its mass. This is Sam at Newton Skate Park. He's standing on the back of his skateboard to keep it from tipping over the edge of a half pipe. The force of his weight pressing down on the skateboard prevents gravity from pulling it over the edge and down the side of the half pipe. Weight, mass, and acceleration. Weight is a measure of the force of gravity pulling down on an object. It depends on the object's mass, which is how much matter the object contains. It also depends on the downward acceleration of the object due to gravity, which is the same all over Earth. Weight can be represented by the equation F equals m times a. This is the general equation that relates force to mass and acceleration. When it relates weight to mass and acceleration, the letter F represents the object's weight in newtons, or N, which is the standard international unit for weight. The letter m in the equation represents the object's mass in kilograms, and the letter A represents the downward acceleration due to gravity. As this equation shows, weight is directly related to mass. As an object's mass increases, so does its weight. For example, if mass doubles, weight doubles as well. Calculating weight. All objects on Earth accelerate downward due to gravity at a rate of 9.8 meters per second squared. Therefore, if you know the mass of an object, you can calculate its weight using this equation. F equals m times 9.8 meters per second squared. Here's an example question. Sam has a mass of 50 kilograms. What is his weight in newtons? The answer. You can calculate Sam's weight in newtons by substituting his mass in kilograms into the weight formula. F equals m times 9.8 meters per second squared equals 50 kilograms times 9.8 meters per second squared. The answer is 490 meters per second squared, or 490 newtons. You're probably more familiar with weight in pounds than in newtons. 1 newton equals 0.225 pounds. In other words, there are 0.225 pounds per newton. You can use this ratio to convert newtons to pounds. Here's an example. What is Sam's weight in pounds? The answer. In pounds, Sam's weight is 490 newtons times 0.225 pounds per newton, or 110 pounds. So in summary, weight is a measure of the force of gravity pulling down on an object. It depends on the object's mass and the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared on Earth. The formula for calculating weight is force equals mass times 9.8 meters per second squared, where F is the object's weight in newtons, or N, and m is the object's mass in kilograms. The newton is the standard international unit for weight, and 1 newton equals 0.225 pounds.